Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this nice and delicious tubani. We just need some few ingredients to get this food done. So I start by showing you the ingredients that I'll be in need of to make my tubani. I have beans flour, onions and green bell pepper, potash, then chili powder, suya spice, vegetable oil, salt, and sesame seeds. I start by adding the beans flour into a large bowl. Into that, I'll add some kokonte. The kokonte is the cassava flour, the dried one. And I'll also add some salt to it and mix everything together before I add the potash into it. Tubaani is a popular dish in northern Ghana and it usually requires few ingredients to prepare it. I'll go ahead to add my potash, which I dissolve in water, into the beans powder. Then afterwards, I'll add some water and mix it thoroughly. I'll be adding the water gradually to get to the consistency that I want it to be. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. And I promise to always give you great content. If you don't have the beans powder, you can just soak the beans in water for some hours, then you use your blender to blend it to a smooth paste. Then you can add your kokonte, that is the dried cassava flour, and your potash and mix it thoroughly. Then you tie them into the shapes that I'm going to do it. So I have this rubber here which I'll be tying it with. Some people also use leaves. I'll be glad to read your comments in the comment section after you have made your tubani and enjoyed it. So I have finished tying them. I'll just place it in a saucepan with water and I'll cover it and cook it for 30 minutes. So I have vegetable oil here which I've added my onions and green bell pepper. I'll let this fry for 5 minutes before I switch off the heat. I'm checking on the tubani. So after about 10 minutes, this is how my tubani is. So I'll cover it again and let it cook. You may decide to fry your onions till it becomes golden brown. So I opened and I've turned the tubani so that the other side can cook properly. After flipping the other side, I'll cover it again and let it cook for some few minutes before I switch off the heat. So it is done now after 30 minutes. I'm taking it out of the saucepan. We have various types of beans and you can use them to make your tubani. So I'm just going to cut it into the shape I want and I'll dress it with my suya spice, my chili pepper, my fried onions and green bell pepper, and the sesame seeds. This my tubani is soft and delicious. Please follow the steps in this recipe and I bet you your tubani will be very delicious and soft. So I'm not cutting this for my children. I'll make it into smaller pieces, which will be easier for them to eat. And with their tubani, I'm not going to add the chili pepper because they don't like pepper. But with mine, I'll add some. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.